Tired of blenders that struggle with ice, leaving chunks in your smoothies or cocktails? Today, we're exploring the top 6 best blenders to chop ice that makes crushing frozen ingredients effortless. Welcome to the channel. Stay tuned, and you can grab your perfect blender easily through the links in the description below. On number 6 is Vitamix 64 ounce. Ice in your blender shouldn't feel like a battle, but many machines make it one. The Vitamix 64 ounce enters the conversation in the top 6 best blenders to chop ice because it transforms frozen ingredients into silky perfection with unmatched ease. Many home cooks struggle with blenders that stall, leave chunks, or overheat when handling ice-heavy smoothies or frozen cocktails. Vitamix solves this with a robust motor and precision-engineered blades that crush ice evenly and quickly. Its 64-ounce container handles family-sized batches without repeated rounds, making mornings and parties effortless. Compared to others, it requires more counter space and investment, but the payoff is consistent texture, professional-level performance, and the ability to tackle dense frozen fruits or nuts. Cleanup is straightforward for daily use, and its durability feels built to last. For anyone craving smooth, icy drinks without the struggle, Vitamix 64 ounce delivers power, reliability, and satisfaction in every blend. At number 5 is Oster 24 ounce. Crushing ice shouldn't feel like a chore, but many small blenders leave chunks and frustration behind. The Oster 24 ounce shines in the top 6 best blenders to chop ice by turning frozen ingredients into smooth, ready-to-drink results effortlessly. Many home cooks face the daily struggle of making single-serve smoothies, icy cocktails, or frozen desserts without bulky machines that take up space. Oster solves this with a compact 24-ounce jar and sharp, durable blades that handle ice, fruits, and soft veggies with surprising power. Compared to others, it won't tackle large batches, but its portability and quick setup make it perfect for personal use or quick meals. Cleanup is simple, and the intuitive controls make blending almost automatic. For anyone seeking a reliable, space-saving option, the Oster 24 ounce transforms everyday icy drinks into smooth, satisfying, and perfectly textured results, making small batch blending stress-free and enjoyable. At number 4 is Black Decker Power Crush. Ice can make or break a smoothie, but most blenders crumble under the pressure. The Black Decker Power Crush rises to the challenge, earning its spot in the top 6 best blenders to chop ice. Many people struggle with machines that stall, leave uneven chunks, or overheat during frozen drinks. Power Crush solves this with a strong motor and precision-engineered blades that pulverize ice, fruits, and vegetables evenly, delivering creamy, smooth results every time. Its large capacity jar handles medium-sized batches, perfect for families or meal prep. Compared to others, it's slightly bulkier, but the added power ensures consistent results even with tougher ingredients. Cleanup is simple, and the straightforward controls make it approachable for anyone. For anyone tired of struggling with icy chunks or inconsistent textures, the Black Decker Power Crush transforms everyday smoothies, frozen drinks, and icy treats into fast, effortless, and satisfying results that taste professional right in your kitchen. On number 3 is KitchenAid 56 ounce. Crushing ice shouldn't feel like a battle, but the KitchenAid 56 ounce proves it can be effortless. Among the top 6 best blenders to chop ice, it stands out for those who need both volume and consistency. Many home cooks struggle with blenders that stall on frozen fruits, leave chunks, or require repeated blending. KitchenAid solves this with a durable motor and sharp, angled blades that pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables evenly, creating silky textures every time. Its 56-ounce capacity handles family-sized batches or party servings without repeated rounds. Compared to others, it takes more counter space and is slightly heavier, but the trade-off is steady, professional-level performance. Cleanup is straightforward, and the controls are intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use. For anyone wanting smooth, icy drinks without frustration, KitchenAid 56 ounce transforms everyday smoothies, frozen cocktails, and icy treats into a fast, satisfying, and enjoyable kitchen experience. At number 2 is Chefman Obliterator 48 ounce. Most blenders struggle with ice, leaving frustrating chunks in smoothies or frozen drinks, but the Chefman Obliterator 48 ounce flips that struggle entirely. Among the top 6 best blenders to chop ice, it stands out for delivering both power and precision. Many home cooks face machines that stall, overheat, or fail to produce smooth textures when handling frozen ingredients. Chefman solves this with a robust motor and ultra-sharp blades that pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and veggies evenly, creating silky results in seconds. Its 48-ounce container is perfect for families or meal prep, offering more capacity than compact models like Oster 24-ounce while remaining manageable on the counter. Compared to others, it's more affordable yet still delivers consistent performance. Cleanup is simple, and the intuitive controls make blending nearly automatic. For anyone wanting smooth, icy drinks without hassle, the Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce transforms everyday smoothies, frozen cocktails, and icy treats into fast, satisfying, and reliable results. Now moving to the last one is Hamilton Beach 40-ounce. Crushing ice often feels like a test of patience, but the Hamilton Beach 40-ounce makes it effortless. Ranked among the top 6 best blenders to chop ice, it tackles frozen fruits, ice cubes, and vegetables without stalling or leaving chunks. Many people struggle with blenders that overheat or require multiple rounds for a single smoothie, slowing down morning routines or party prep. Hamilton Beach solves this with a powerful motor, sharp stainless steel blades, and a 40-ounce jar that balances capacity with counter-friendly size. Compared to others, it's more affordable, easier to store, and still delivers consistent icy blends for family smoothies, frozen drinks, or sauces. Cleanup is straightforward, and the intuitive controls make operation simple for anyone. While it doesn't handle massive batches like some commercial options, its versatility, smooth results, and reliable ice crushing performance make it a go-to solution. For anyone seeking quick, smooth, and satisfying icy drinks, Hamilton Beach 40-ounce transforms blending into an effortless kitchen routine. If you want a balanced blend of power, size, and everyday practicality, the Hamilton Beach 40-ounce stands out among the lineup. It delivers smooth, consistent results whether you're crushing ice, blending fruits, or making sauces. Its 40-ounce capacity hits the sweet spot, not too big, not too small, perfect for singles, couples, or small families. Compared to others, it's more affordable, easier to clean, and doesn't overcrowd your counter. Easy controls and reliable performance make it ideal for daily use. For versatile blending without the bulk or complexity, Hamilton Beach 40-ounce transforms kitchen prep into a quick, satisfying experience you'll reach for again and again. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best blenders to chop ice. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.